This is a beautiful place.
Starting from here.
We are at the bamboo cottage.
Hello.
We are 5 people here, and we are having an amazing time in Sanskruti Farm. It is a beautiful place, full of greenery, flora and fauna. And you can see that
Hi.
there is a bamboo house and there is a wooden cottage. There are 2 wooden cottages actually. And there are more places to explore. You can see the swings which are between trees. It looks very natural.
It's amazing place, guys. It's Kolad.
Kundalika river rafting.
We came here.
Going to Kundalika river rafting.
We came here for river rafting. It's around 11 kilometers from this cottage, and the view is perfectly fine. It's amazing. Right now the time is like 6:30, 6:40 in the morning, and you can see the beauty here.
हाँ उधर दे दो ना यार चाय दे देना मुझे
If you want to have a good time to spend with your friends, with your family, you can come here in a very minimum budget. You can say it's not very expensive, but you will live here in a very beautiful place. You can spend good time.
ये swings दिखा swings and as you can see, there are many things that we can do here. There are cycles available. You can go for cycling as well. Here cycles are available.
Now we are going to buy a few cycles, bought a few cycles, and we'll be going for a small cycle rides after so long years. In fact, I guess we need to have a shoes instead of slippers for cycling. Cycle 2 hours equals to 200 rupees. I guess it's okay. Okay guys, we'll continue with cycle ride in very in like 50 half an hour or time or so. Thanks.